Opening shot of a computer screen displaying various online job opportunities. Are you looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. Here are 10 legitimate ways to make money online. Freelancing. You can offer your skills and services online as a freelancer. Popular freelancing services include writing, web design, graphic design, and programming. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Cut to a shot of a freelancer working on their laptop. Online surveys. Many companies pay people to take online surveys to gather consumer opinions and feedback. This is a simple and easy way to make money online. Cut to a shot of a person filling out an online survey. Selling on online marketplaces. You can sell products on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can either create your own products or resell other people's products. Cut to a shot of an online marketplace website. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing and sharing information, you can start a blog and make money through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and advertising. Cut to a shot of a person writing a blog post. Online tutoring. You can offer online tutoring services to students worldwide in various subjects, from math to language learning. Cut to a shot of a person tutoring online. Virtual assistant. Many businesses and individuals hire virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks, such as email management, scheduling appointments, and social media management. Cut to a shot of a virtual assistant working on their computer. Stock photography. You can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStockPhoto. Cut to a shot of a person taking a photograph. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses through platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Cut to a shot of a person creating an online course. YouTube. If you enjoy creating videos, you can start a YouTube channel and monetize your videos through ads and sponsorships. Cut to a shot of a person filming a YouTube video. Affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate marketing programs such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Cut to a shot of a person promoting a product. Voiceover. These are just a few examples of how you can make money online. Remember, it takes time, effort, and dedication to build a successful online business or career. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your online ventures into a successful and fulfilling source of income. Closing shot of a person closing their laptop with a satisfied smile on their face. Voiceover. So what are you waiting for? Start making money online today.
Thank you for watching.